What if I told you there's an AI agent out there that can build an entire website, host it, create a full-on PowerPoint, record a voiceover video, handle back-end logic, write the CSS, optimize for TikTok, and do it all from a single prompt? This ain't science fiction. This is Deep Agent, and it's about to change how you build everything. You're watching AI in Bits, the channel where we don't just talk about AI tools, we break down what they can really do, and what you can really do with them. Today, we're looking at Deep Agent, an AI that's not just smart, it's operational. This thing doesn't stop at generating text or images. It builds products, websites, dashboards, decks, videos. Strap in, this one's wild. So what makes Deep Agent so different? It's a full-stack autonomous agent that doesn't just hand you ideas, it executes, like fully. Here's a real example. Someone asked it to build a summer camp registration website. Deep Agent spun up a coding environment in browser, scraped for design ideas, built out pages, linked a live backend, validated inputs, and even added a pay later button. Then it published it all from a single interface. Another prompt, a chatbot about climate change. The agent asked clarifying questions, built the chatbot, deployed it to a custom subdomain, and spun up the whole site. No APIs, no manual setup, just boom. Here's your app. Need a PowerPoint for your pitch deck, school project, or startup idea? Deep Agent can generate a 10-slide presentation complete with real NASA data, AI-generated images, historical stats, and speculative concept art. One example. It scraped scientific databases, created charts, added slick gradients, and delivered both a PPTX and a polished PDF. But wait, video too? Yup. Give it a single sentence and Deep Agent handles the whole production line. Script writing, voiceover with ElevenLabs, AI-generated visuals, lip sync with Hedra, subtitles, background music, Instagram/TikTok export. No Premiere Pro, no Final Cut, just prompt and chill. Deep Agent doesn't work alone. It talks to itself, or more specifically, to other sub-agents. Say you're building a dashboard from Jira data. Deep Agent authenticates on the fly, talks to a micro-agent for charting, talks to a browser agent for sanity checks, then wraps it all into a single clean UI. And it remembers that flow. Next time, it's one-click repeatable. That's not just automation, that's adaptive memory. And it's a serious unlock for productivity junkies and indie hackers. Abacus, the team behind Deep Agent, runs a weekly $2,500 challenge for Best AI Human Collab. People have built resume analyzers that rate formatting and keyword density, legal doc auditors that pull out governing law clauses, fitness coaches that generate workouts and live dashboards, all from single prompts, then tweaked in conversation. Hey, make the tone more friendly, add a clause summary, suggest more stretching. The AI adjusts and redeploys instantly. Technically speaking, Deep Agent runs on a Next.js stack by default. It writes React, JavaScript, Prisma, Tailwind, whatever gets the job done. It spins up SQLite for demos or Postgres for real work. You can explore the full file tree, download the source, or push to GitHub, all from the same UI. Everything stays secure, too. Tokens auto-expire. Secrets are stored in volatile memory unless you choose otherwise. And the kicker? It works with GPT-4, Claude 3.5, and Gemini Ultra, dynamically choosing the best one based on your task. This isn't a one-size-fits-all tool. It's a smart switchboard. So you're wondering, can I make money off this? Absolutely. You can build a chatbot, gate premium features behind Stripe, and charge users directly. The resume tool, the recipe generator, both use that model, give away a taste, charge for the full plate. And because Deep Agent bundles generous API access, you don't need to rent extra servers. Just run it like a lean SaaS, perfect for solo founders and AI hustlers. This is bigger than cool demos. Deep Agent is a sign of where AI is headed. Not passive, not reactive, but generative and deployable. A single tool that can build your app, design your front end, draft your pitch deck, record your launch video, handle your back end, and ship it all from a chat box. If you're still thinking AI is just for making memes or fancy essays, this should be your wake-up call. If you've got an idea, Deep Agent can build it. No excuses, no gatekeepers. Drop a comment with your wildest use case. We might test it out on this channel. Like if this blew your mind. And hit subscribe if you're building smarter, faster, and cheaper with AI in bits. See you in the next one.